Buying fresh vegetables at the market.
Emma, this market is very colorful today.
Yes, look at all the vegetables. Everything looks fresh.
We need tomatoes, cucumbers, onions, and potatoes.
I also want carrots. I can make soup tonight.
Good idea. How many tomatoes do we need?
Maybe 6 tomatoes. They are red and beautiful.
These cucumbers are small. Do you like small cucumbers?
Yes, they are good for salad.
Let's buy 5 cucumbers.
Okay, we also need 1 kilo of potatoes.
These potatoes look clean. I will take this bag.
Wait, Tom, that bag is too big. We only need a small bag.
You are right. We do not want to waste food.
Look at the carrots. They are bright orange.
They look nice. Do you want 5 or 6 carrots?
6, please. I will cut them for dinner.
Do we need green peppers?
Yes, 2 green peppers. They are good with eggs.
What about fruit?
Not today. We still have apples at home.
Okay. Vegetables only today.
The seller is very kind. He is putting everything in one bag.
Do you have cash?
Yes, I have some cash. How much is it?
It is not expensive. Fresh food at the market is usually better.
I like coming here in the morning. It feels calm.
Next time, we can buy fresh bread too.
Yes, but today our bag is already full.
Let's go home and wash the vegetables.
Great. Tonight's dinner will be simple and healthy.
I will put the vegetables on the kitchen table.
And I will make a quick salad before dinner.
Ordering at a coffee shop.
Emma, this coffee shop smells amazing.
Yes, I love the smell of fresh coffee in the morning.
It is busy, but the line is not too long.
Good. We can look at the menu while we wait.
I see espresso, latte, cappuccino, and iced coffee.
Do you want something hot or cold?
I think I want something hot. It is cold outside.
Then a latte is a good choice. It is soft and not too strong.
What are you going to order?
I will order an iced coffee with milk.
I thought you said it was cold outside.
I know, but I still like iced coffee.
That is funny. Oh, it is our turn.
You can order first.
Okay, hello. Can I have a small latte, please?
Nice. Say if you want it with regular milk.
Oh, yes, with regular milk, please.
Good job.
And can I have 1 chocolate muffin?
That muffin looks fresh.
What about you?
Can I have a medium iced coffee with milk, please? No sugar.
No sugar? Really?
Yes, I like the coffee taste.
I need sugar, maybe 2 packets.
That is okay. Everyone likes coffee in a different way.
The cashier is asking for a name.
Say Tom. It is easy.
The name is Tom.
Now we wait near the pickup counter.
I like this place. It is warm and quiet.
Yes, we can sit by the window.
Great! We can drink coffee and watch the street.
Perfect morning.
Sending a package at the post office.
Emma, I need to send this package to my brother.
Is it a birthday gift?
Yes, it is a blue sweater. I hope he likes it.
Nice. Did you write the address?
Yes, but please check it for me.
Let me see. The name is clear. The street number is clear too.
What about the city and zip code?
They are correct. The handwriting is easy to read.
Good. I was worried about that.
Do you want regular mail or fast mail?
Regular mail is okay. His birthday is next week.
Then it should arrive on time.
I also need a tracking number.
Yes, always ask for tracking. Then you can see where the package is.
Good advice. Do I need to buy a box?
The package is already in a small box. It looks safe.
I put tape on all sides.
Great. The sweater will not fall out.
The line is short today.
Yes, only 2 people are waiting.
I like this post office. It is quiet.
And the workers are helpful.
After this, do you want to buy coffee?
Maybe tea. But first, send the package.
Right. One thing at a time.
When you pay, keep the receipt.
Yes, the tracking number will be on the receipt.
Perfect. Your brother will be happy.
I hope so. He loves warm clothes.
Send him a message after you leave the post office.
I will tell him to check the package next week.
Going to a soccer match.
Emma, the stadium is very busy today.
Yes, look at all the people. Everyone is wearing team shirts.
I like this red scarf. It looks good, right?
It looks great. Are you ready to watch your first soccer match here?
Yes, I am very excited, but I do not know many rules.
That is okay. I can explain simple things during the match.
Great. Where are our seats?
Row 10, seats 5 and 6. We need to go up these stairs.
I can hear the fans singing already.
They sing before the game starts. It makes the stadium feel alive,
Wow, the field is so green.
and the players are warming up. See, they are passing the ball.
Which team is ours?
The team in blue shirts.
I see them. The goalkeeper has white gloves.
Yes. He stands near the goal and stops the ball.
What happens if the ball goes into the net?
That is a goal. Everyone will cheer loudly.
I hope our team scores first.
Me too. Oh, the referee is coming onto the field.
Is the game starting now?
Almost. First, the players stand in the middle.
The fans are clapping. This is exciting.
Look, the referee blows the whistle.
The match has started.
Blue team has the ball. Nice pass.
He is running fast. Can he shoot?
Yes, he can shoot now.
Oh, so close.
That was a good try. Maybe next time.
I understand now. Soccer is simple but very exciting for beginners.
I want to watch again.
Ordering at Subway.
Emma, this sandwich shop is very busy today.
Yes, but the line is moving fast. We can order soon.
I am a little hungry. Everything smells good.
Me too. Look at the bread options.
I see wheat bread, white bread, and cheese bread.
Which one do you want?
I think I want wheat bread. It looks soft.
Good choice. I will get cheese bread.
What sandwich are you going to order?
I want a chicken sandwich with vegetables.
That sounds healthy. I want turkey, please.
Now, it is your turn. Start with the bread.
Okay, hello. Can I have a 6-inch wheat bread, please?
Nice. Now, choose the meat.
Turkey, please.
Do you want cheese?
Yes, please. Can I have cheddar cheese?
Good. Now, vegetables.
I want tomatoes, cucumbers, lettuce, and green peppers.
Do you want onions?
No, thank you. I do not like onions in my sandwich.
What sauce do you want?
Just mayonnaise, please. Not too much.
That is clear.
What about you?
Can I have a 6-inch cheese bread with chicken, please?
Are you getting cheese too?
Yes, please. Mozzarella cheese,
And vegetables.
lettuce, tomatoes, olives, and cucumbers, please.
Your sandwich looks colorful.
Thank you. I want a little honey mustard sauce.
Do we eat here or take it to go?
Let's eat here. There is a table by the window.
Great. I'll get 2 bottles of water.
Perfect. This is a simple and tasty lunch.
Joining a gym.
Emma, this gym looks clean and bright.
Yes, and it is close to our apartment.
That is important. If it is far, I will not go often.
Same for me. We need a place we can visit after work.
Look at the sign. It says there is a free tour today.
Let's ask about membership prices.
Good idea. I want to know the monthly price.
I also want to know if classes are included.
What classes do you like?
Maybe yoga or light exercise. Nothing too difficult.
I want to use the treadmill and the bike.
That sounds easy for beginners.
Do you want to exercise in the evening or morning?
Evening is better for me. I am sleepy in the morning.
I understand. I can exercise after work too.
We should start slowly. Maybe 2 days a week.
Yes, if we start too fast, we may stop.
Exactly. Small steps are better.
Do we need special shoes?
Clean sports shoes, yes, and comfortable clothes.
I have an old pair of shoes. They are still okay.
I need a new water bottle.
The gym also has lockers.
That is useful. I can put my bag there.
Let's take the tour and ask questions.
Good. If the price is okay, we can join next week.
Next week sounds perfect.
New habit, simple plan, no pressure.
We can also bring small towels in our bags.
Yes, and we should drink water before and after exercise.
Getting a library card.
Emma, I have not been in a library for a long time.
Me too. This library is quiet and beautiful.
I want to get a library card today.
That is a good idea. You can borrow books for free.
Do I need an ID card?
Yes, usually you need an ID and proof of address.
I have my ID. I also have a bill on my phone.
That should be okay.
What kind of books do you want to read?
Easy English stories. They help me learn new words.
I want travel books. I like reading about different cities.
Look, there is a beginner English section.
Great! The books have simple words and short chapters.
That is perfect for practice.
Do you think we can study here on weekends?
Yes, there are big tables and comfortable chairs,
The library also has computers.
and I see a sign for free Wi-Fi.
Very useful. It is a good place to focus.
We should speak quietly here.
Yes, very quietly. And
After you get your card, choose one book.
only one?
Start with one. If you take 5 books, you may read none.
That is true. One simple book is enough.
I will choose one too.
Great. We can read for 30 minutes.
A quiet reading day sounds perfect.
I like this plan because it is free and useful.
Me too. Learning can be simple when the place is nice.
Asking for directions to the museum.
Emma, I think we are on the wrong street.
Let me check the map. The museum should be near here.
I see a big building, but I do not see the museum sign.
Maybe we passed it.
Should we ask someone for directions?
Yes, that is better than walking in circles.
What should I say?
Say, "Excuse me, how can we get to the city museum?"
Simple and polite. I can say that.
Good. Also ask, "Is it far from here?"
Yes, if it is far, maybe we can take a bus.
The weather is nice, so walking is okay too.
I see a bus stop across the street.
And I see a sign that says Museum Street.
Oh, maybe we are close.
The map says turn left after the bank,
There is the bank. So we turn left there.
then walk straight for 2 blocks.
2 blocks is easy.
Look, I see a poster with a painting on it.
That must be the museum poster.
Yes, and there is the entrance.
Great, we found it.
Asking for directions is useful, but reading signs is useful too.
True. Next time I will look around more carefully.
Let's go inside. I want to see the old photos.
I want to see the city map room.
Perfect. We can start on the first floor.
Let's look at the map near the entrance first.
Good idea. Then we will not miss any rooms.
Buying a shirt at a clothing store.
Emma, I need a new shirt for dinner tonight.
What color do you want?
Maybe light blue. It looks clean and simple.
Light blue is a good color for you.
Do you see one in my size?
Here is a medium. Do you usually wear medium?
Yes, medium is usually right.
The fabric feels soft.
That is important. I do not like hard shirts.
Do you want a plain shirt or a shirt with lines?
Plain, please. It is easier to wear.
Good choice. You can wear it with dark pants.
How much is it?
The tag says $25.
That is okay. Not cheap, but not too expensive.
You should try it on first.
Yes, where is the fitting room?
It is over there, near the mirror.
I will be back in a minute.
Okay. I will look at jackets while you try it on.
Emma, how does it look?
It looks nice. The shoulders fit well.
Is it too long?
No, it is fine. The color is also good.
Great. I will buy it.
Do you need anything else?
No, just the shirt.
Then let's go to the cashier.
I feel ready for dinner now.
Yes, and you made a simple, good choice.
I will keep the receipt in case I need it.
Smart. But I think you will wear this shirt often.
Talking about weekend plans.
Emma, what do you want to do this weekend?
I want a calm weekend. The week was busy.
Same here. I do not want a big trip.
Maybe we can have breakfast outside on Saturday.
That sounds nice. There is a small cafe near the park.
Yes, the one with fresh bread and eggs.
I like that place. It is not too loud.
After breakfast, we can walk in the park.
Good. A slow walk is better than shopping.
I agree. On Sunday, maybe we can stay home.
We can cook simple food and watch a movie.
What kind of movie do you want?
Maybe a comedy. I do not want anything sad.
A comedy is perfect for Sunday.
Do we need to clean the apartment?
A little. We can clean for 1 hour in the morning.
1 hour only. Then we stop.
Deal. We also need to do laundry.
I can start the laundry on Sunday morning.
Thank you. I can make lunch.
What will you make?
Maybe pasta with vegetables from the market.
Nice. Simple and cheap.
So Saturday is cafe and park. Sunday is home, cleaning, laundry, lunch, and movie.
That sounds like a real weekend.
Not exciting, but very comfortable.
Comfortable is good. We need rest.
Yes. A good weekend can be simple.
I feel better when we make a clear plan.
Me too. Now we know what to do and when to rest.
If this video helped you, please hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow. For more slow and easy English videos, subscribe to the Learn English with Daniel channel and turn on notifications. I'll be back soon with a new story.